Welcome back students to this grammar lecture of your grammar lesson from your ACE Grammar Book Standard 4th. This is the second part of the recorded video of chapter number 13, that is simple present tense. So today we are going to do the second part. So what comes in the second part? Very good students, the textual part. So today we are going to do the textual part of this chapter, chapter number 13, simple present tense. तो हम ये लेसन स्टार्ट करें उसके पहले लेट्स टेक अ क्विक रिवाइज ऑफ द सेम लेसन. So in this chapter what was there? So simple present tense are the verbs, but when it is used, the simple present tense are used to talk about habits, to do the things we do regularly, to talk about the facts and permanent situation के जो everyday it is happening, like that type of things are there के permanent situation के suppose someone works in the post office तो वहाँ पे वो fix है तो that is the permanent place. और the things we like or do not like, हम ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that time simple present tense will be used. And when we are talking about the things which are always true, जो हमेशा सत्य होता है, we are talking about that things, that time simple present tense is used. And something we are talking about कि the timetable is fixed, उसमें कोई change नहीं होगा, that time also the simple present tense will be used. So I think आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि where the simple present tense is used. So all the students open page number 49 from your ACE Grammar book. So students, on page number 49, what is there? The textual exercise, and all the students are very well aware that whatever textual exercise we are doing in the textbook, आपको pencil का use करना है. So with the pencil only everyone will write the answer. So let's get started. The first thing is there, complete these sentences with simple present tense form of the words in the bracket. So we have understood the rule कि whenever the singular noun is there, singular verb लगेगा उसके साथ, and plural noun is there, we have to write plural verb. verb में s नहीं लगता plural form में, singular में s लगता है. तो चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. The flowers, अब यहाँ पे जो noun है flowers, that is in plural form, तो verb में s नहीं लगेगा, it will come bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in spring. Second sentence, the bird dash on the branch. अब यहाँ पे आपको noun पे ध्यान देना है. The noun is in singular form, तो singular के साथ singular verb जाएगा, तो singular verb क्या आएगा? Sings, जिसमें s लगता है वो singular verb होता है. So the bird sings on the branch. The bird sings on the branch. We wish dash you a very happy journey. तो we plural pronoun है, तो plural के साथ plural verb will go, so it will come wish. We wish you a very happy journey. The boys dash the firewood. So here boys is in plural form, so it will come fetch. The boys fetch the firewood. Fetch यानी लेके आना. The boys fetch the firewood. मीता डैश हर बुक्स. तो अब मीता क्या है? सिंगुलर नाउन. तो सिंगुलर के नाउन के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब आएगा और वर्ब में एस लगेगा तभी वो सिंगुलर होगा. सो इट विल कम अरेंजेस. ARRANGES. एस इज ओवर हियर. तो आपको वहाँ पे एस लगाना है. ARRANGES arranges. Mita arranges her books. All of you write the answer with pencil in the textbook. Now we are doing 6th number. The kittens dash in the basket. So here kittens are there. So kittens means it is in plural form. That's why it will come plural verb sleep. The kittens sleep in the basket. The kittens sleep in the basket. Now we will move on to the 7th one, that is we dash the church bell at 5 p.m. every day. So we plural pronoun is there, इसलिए plural verb here लगेगा. We hear the church bell at 5 p.m. every day. Plural के साथ plural verb will go here. We hear the church bell at 5 p.m. every day. My leg. अब एक ही leg की बात हो रही है. Singular noun is there. That's why hurts. HURTS. My leg hurts from standing so long. ज़्यादा लंबा खड़े रहते तो दुखता है ना. Yes. So my leg hurts from standing so long. 9th one, they. ये plural pronoun है तो verb भी आएगा plural. Eating ice cream. So they like eating ice cream. Again I am telling, verb में जिसमें s नहीं लगता वो plural होता है और s लगेगा वो singular होगा. They like eating ice cream. Now to the 10th one, all the sheep. तो all है यहाँ पे यानी बहुत सारी sheep. And we have learned के sheep का plural sheep ही होता है. No change is there in the plural chapter. We have studied के sheep in singular form also sheep is there, plural form also sheep is there. So all the sheep यानी सारे sheep की बात हो रही है. So it is in plural form. So verb will also come in plural, leap. All the sheep leap over the fence. All the sheep leap over the fence. Now I think all my dear and loving students have completed this exercise. So let's move on further with our second part of the textual exercise, that is tick right the correct option to complete these sentences. So here sentences are there. Which verb is applicable to that one? That verb we have to tick mark. आप do the circle, that is better ताकि आपको अच्छे से दिखाई दे. So you have to do circle only, tick नहीं करना है. We are doing circle in the verbs. Now first one is already done. He. तो he singular noun है तो उसके साथ singular verb will go plays. He plays basketball in the school team. He plays basketball in the school team. Next one is there she. वो भी सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन है, तो उसके साथ भी सिंगुलर वर्ब विल गो. सो ईट्स, she eats lunch by 1 p.m. She eats lunch by 1 p.m. Now Gina, that also singular noun is there. तो singular verb हम लिखेंगे laughs. Gina laughs at the smallest of jokes. Gina laughs at the smallest of jokes. छोटे से छोटे जोक्स पर गीना को हंसी आती है, तो सिंगुलर के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब विल गो. नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स, तो स्टूडेंट्स है बहुत सारे हैं, इट इज़ इन प्लूरल फॉर्म, सो द वर्ब विल कम प्लूरल. राइट, द स्टूडेंट्स राइट देयर एग्जामिनेशन. द स्टूडेंट्स राइट देयर एग्जामिनेशन. द बेबी, तो बेबी क्या है, एक ही है, सिंगुलर, सो आंसर विल कम द बेबी क्राइज व्हेन ही इज हंग्री. सिंगुलर नाउन विल टेक सिंगुलर simple present tense, that's why cries. The baby cries when he is hungry. So here we have completed the textual exercise which was on page number 49. Now everyone turn on the page. We will do the textual exercise which is present on page number 50. Let's continue with the sixth sentence. Now here the sixth sentence is she. She pronoun is in singular, that's why singular verb हम लिखेंगे. She goes to meet her sister on Tuesday. She pronoun के साथ singular verb will go. She goes to the meet her sister on Tuesday. The cat, अब cat भी सिंगुलर है, तो उसके साथ भी सिंगुलर simple present tense climbs will come up the ladder. The cat climbs up the ladder. Now the eighth sentence, I help my mother when she. तो she mother singular noun is there, that's why singular verb will come, that is cooks. I help my mother when she cooks. The children, अब ninth one में क्या है, children. Children is in plural form, तो प्लूरल के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब आएगा. और वर्ब में हमने सीखा है कि जिसमें एस नहीं लगता वो प्लूरल होता है और एस लगता है वो सिंगुलर होता है. सो इट विल कम द चिल्ड्रन प्ले ड्यूरिंग देयर वैकेशन. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाई प्लूरल सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस प्ले विल कम. द चिल्ड्रन प्ले ड्यूरिंग देयर वैकेशंस. वी, now we pronoun is in plural, so answer will also come verb simple present tense in plural, wait. We wait at the bus stop. Pronoun will take plural, pronoun will take plural verb. We wait at the bus stop. So here we have completed our textual exercise, page number 50 B part. Now page number 50 C part we are going to do. अब उसमें क्या है, say this sentence is allowed by changing the words in the bracket to simple present tense. तो आपको ये बोलना है, तो you are not present here, तो साथ में बोलते भी जाना है, और in the side you have to keep on writing the answer. बिकॉज यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर, तो हम ओरल भी करेंगे और रिटर्न भी करेंगे. बोथ द एक्टिविटी विल डू टुगेदर. नाउ हियर द बस dash near the bridge. Verb is to wait. तो बस है singular, तो singular के साथ singular verb will go. So what answer will come, students? Excellent. Correct answer, waits. W-A-I-T-S, waits. The bus waits near the bridge. Second one, the dancers. यहाँ पे S पे आपको ध्यान देना है. It is in plural form. So verb भी आएगा plural form at the festival. So what will come? Perform. The dancers perform at the festival. जिसमें S नहीं लगता वो होता है plural verb. So the dancers perform at the festival. The children dash in the park. तो children plural noun है, that's why plural verb will go, that is play. The children play in the park. P-L-A-Y. The children play in the park. Fourth one, the teacher dash in the class. Now teacher is one person, singular, तो singular noun के साथ आएगा singular simple present tense, teaches. The teacher teaches. T-E-A-C-H-E-S, teaches. H है इसलिए हम लिखेंगे E-S. The teacher teaches in the class. The people dash down the street. तो people है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, so it will come plural verb walk. The people walk down the street. The people walk down the street. Students, आपको oral answer साथ में बोलते जाना है. So everyone say the answer. Sixth one, the man dash newspaper. What will come? Wow, very good. Correct answer. Singular noun is there, that's why singular simple present tense, reads. The man reads newspaper. R-E-A-D-S, reads. The man reads newspapers. The player. So here also singular noun is there. So what answer will come? Plays. Well done, students. Plays. The player plays. P-L-A-Y-S. The game. The player plays the game. Singular noun है इसलिए singular verb plays will come. The actor. Very good, students. मेरे बोलने से पहले ही आंसर आ गया. Very good. तो actor singular noun है, so answer will come acts. A-C-T-S, acts brilliantly. The actor acts brilliantly. Now here ninth one, shopkeepers. Plural है. Correct answer, sell. The shopkeepers, plural noun के साथ plural simple present tense आएगा, sell groceries. The shopkeepers sell groceries. Plural के साथ हमने plural verb लिखा. The shopkeepers sell groceries. Now the 10th one, my friends. Naturally, here also it is in plural form noun, इसलिए verb भी आएगा plural. My friends go for swimming classes. My friend go for swimming classes. Well done, students. All of you have done this exercise very nicely and perfectly. Now, all my dear and loving students, I think you have understood the chapter very nicely. But in grammar, what is needed? Continuous practice is needed. तो आप whenever you get the time, grammar exercise plus the recorded video, every time you keep on watching, हर बार देखते रहो, so the rules should be clear in your mind. Thank you for watching the video.